How to find nationwide insurance agents nearby. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find nationwide insurance agents nearby. For that, you can use the official Nationwide Agent Locator tool. Open any web browser of your choice on your device. In the search bar here, type in agency.nationwide.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press on the enter key of your keyboard to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Nationwide Agency. Once you reach this page, here you will need to scroll a bit down, and then now you can search for insurance agencies by simply entering your city, state or zip code or by the agency name. Simply click on this location field and there type in your correct location. Once you set the location, here you will be able to see the list of agencies that is near to your location. Also, you can narrow your search by selecting the specific insurance product. For that, click on this all agencies and from here select the specific insurance product. Click on the search button once selecting. After that, you'll be able to find the agency nearby you based on your product. You may also use the interactive map at the right side to browse the agents near your location. Once you find the agency, you can simply click on it to select it. And then here in this page, you can simply scroll down to find the contact details of that agency. You can simply contact this agency by the phone number given here or email to discuss your insurance needs and get the personalized service. So this is how you can find nationwide insurance agents nearby. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.